Right, welcome to day 24 of the ICT Games Daily Dollop of Maths, keeping the math skills bubbling over for year 1 and 2 while we can't be at school. Thanks for coming back. Please, can you make sure you sat with an adult? Please, can you have a piece of paper and a pencil ready? And please call out and join in and love your mistakes. Okay, guys, right, so we're going to start. Let's start with counting in twos first. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Are you joining in? 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Fantastic. Let's try that again. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. Okay, fantastic job. Year ones, that was good for you. Here we go. Let's do some counting in threes. Now, year ones, you don't need to be able to do this, but it'd be good to have a look. Year twos, you do. So make sure you're joining in. I need to hear all the year twos, guys. You ready? 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. We'll stop there. Right, let's say it all again. 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. Right, close your eyes, everybody. Close your eyes. No peeping. Okay, I'm going to hide one. There we go. Open your eyes again for me. Which one have I hidden? It's this one here. 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Good job if you said 24. Close your eyes again, no peeping. Open your eyes again. It's this one. 0, 3, 6, 9. Yeah, 12. Fantastic. Okay, let's play duck shoot. We're going to do counting in threes on duck shoot. Here we go. Here we go. I'll do the first one. And then, guys, I might leave you for a second to do the next one on your own. 3, 6, 9. There we go. Got that one right. 24 this time. Looking for 24. Oh, it's quite a long one. Here we go. So counting in threes. See if you can spot which one it is. Okay. 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Well done if you got that one. Here we go. On 15 we want 24 again. 15, 18, 21, 24. Well done if you got that one. Okay, on 6. Oh, sorry, we're looking for 6. We're starting at 0. 0, 3, 6. Sorry, I did that one for you. Sorry. On your own this time. On your own. Which one's it going to be? Are you joining in? Come on, year twos, join in. If you're sitting there having a cup of tea. 12, 15, 18, 21. Woohoo! Last one. So looking for 15. Where would 15 be? 9, 12, 15. Okay, good job, guys. Right. Okay. Now this is... Oh, clocks can be a bit tricky. Let's start by doing our quarter past, counting in the quarters of the hour. And I'm going to put the digital clock up here. Not that we're really looking at it, but just because these digits here can be, these numbers in here can be quite useful. These minute numbers. Okay, but here we go. I'm going to go around the clock, count in quarters of the hour. So currently it's 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. Quarter past 1. 1:30, 1:45, 2, 2 o'clock, 2:15, 2:30, 3, 3 o'clock, 3:15, 3:30, 4, 4 o'clock, 4:15, 4:30, a quarter to 5. 5 o'clock. Okay, let's pause that there. Now, so year ones, you need to be able to say o'clock and half past. Okay, so o'clock and half past. Year twos, you need to be able to say any time of the clock. Okay, in 5-minute intervals. Okay, so wherever the longhand is pointing to a number, you need to be able to say. Okay, so particularly for the year twos now, we're going to counting in fives. Okay, because each of these jumps is 5 minutes. Okay, for the blue hand, for the minute hand. Okay, join in. 5 past 5, 10 past 5, quarter past 5, or 15 minutes past 5, 20 past 5, 25 past 5, 30 minutes past 5, everyone says half past, 5:35, 5:40, 5:45, 5:50, 5:55, and there isn't a such thing as 5:60. We go back to 0, a new hour, 6 o'clock. Let's just forget about the hour hand just for a minute and count in fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, or 0. Let's just switch these hours off for a minute. And again, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, or 0. Okay, let's have the hours back. Okie dokies. What time is that? Yeah, it's 8 o'clock. Okay. Let's do some of the easy ones. Let's do hang on, let's go back. Here's 8 o'clock. And for half an hour, I'm reading my book. What time is it now? Yeah, 8:30. Okay. And then I switch the lights out. And it takes me, about half an hour to get to sleep, especially because I haven't been getting much exercise. Just walking the dog. I haven't been able to run about outside. So here we go. So it's going to be in half an hour's time. What time is that now? Yeah, 9 o'clock. Okay. And I sleep for, let's have a look. I sleep for 8 hours. So I have to wait for this to go round. So there's a clock going around. It's all super fast. On fast forward speed. So I'm a quick sleeper, me. Here we go. And then what time will it be? Yep, there we go. 5 o'clock. Oh, why did I say that? I'm so sorry. Rubbish teacher. Okay, right. So, and then I lounge about in the bed, trying to open my eyes for half an hour. What time will it be in half an hour? Yeah, 5:30. That's right, 5:30. Okay. And then I go downstairs and put the kettle on and start making the bread. What time? And it takes me half an hour to get started with that. What time will it be? This is going to catch a few people out. What time is that? Yeah, 6 o'clock. It looks funny, doesn't it? Both up and down. Okay. Then half an hour later, I've drunk lots of cups of tea and my children are coming downstairs. What time will it be in half an hour's time? This is going to be really tricky when you see this one. That's really hard to read, that one. It's half the way around past 6. There we go. 6:30. Okay. What time will it be an hour later? In an hour's time, the bread's ready to eat. What time will it be in an hour's time? It won't be 7. It will be half the way around past 7. 7:30. Fantastic. Okay. Now I'm going to put a link to this game underneath. Year ones, you only really need to be able to read o'clock and 8:30. But this game goes a little bit further, so that's a good one to try. Okay. 1:45. Which one of these clocks has got 1:45 on it? Well, this hour hand is nearly at 1. It can't be this one because this hour hand is nearly at 12, so it's not that one. So it's going to be this one or this one. Nearly at 1, nearly at 1. So it's something to 1, both of those. That's 5, 10 minutes to 1. That's a quarter to 1. It's this one. So put the cheese there. A mouse eats a cheese. Well done. Next one. 11:30. Okay, well this one's not even at half, so it's not that one. This one's gone past the 12, right? Okay, but it's 12:30 something. This one, it's gone past the 11. Right, it's a choice between those two. What do you reckon, guys? Point to which one. Yeah, it's this one, because the hour hand was at 11. Now it's gone halfway to the 12. It's 11:30. So let's put the cheese on that one. There we go. Fantastic. 5:15. So it should be pointing. What number will the minute hand be pointing to? What number will the minute hand, the blue hand, for 1/4 past? Just 1/4 past. It's not the 1. Yeah, it'll be pointing at the 3, won't it? It starts here and there's a quarter of the way around. So it's going to be this one or this one. And it's 5:15. So then we've got to look at the hour hand. Which one has just been on the 5 just a moment ago, 15 minutes ago? Yeah, it's this one. Well done. Last one. One more, no more. 4:30. Turn to your partner, tell your partner, which one's 4:30? Is it this one? Oh, no, not that one. Whoops. That one. Well done. Fantastic. Okay, I'll leave a link to that underneath this video. You can have a go. Right, so we're going to go on to something else now. It's good to keep different things bubbling over and cross over onto different bits of learning. And we're going to look at our taking away again today. And I'm going to write here our first maths sentence. And it's going to be 13 take away 5. And I'm going to show you 13 first of all. And it's 13 is made out of 10 and what number? Partition 13. Yeah, 10 and 3. Okay, and we're taking away 5. Now the thing is, there's no 5 to make. There's no 5-ness of this. 5 doesn't mean 5, a 10 frame full of 5. It just means we're taking away 5. Now, last time we put our 10 frames onto here to make 13. I might just find where 13 is this time. Okay. Now, one way you can do this is you can count backwards in your head from 13. You could go backwards in your head from 13. You could say 13, and you can count backwards 5, and you could have five fingers open in your hand and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you can't really say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You've got to go backwards 5. So you could have 5 fingers out on your hand and go 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. And that gets the answer 8. That would get you the right answer. But so often, counting backwards, especially when they go through the tens barrier, children make mistakes. So it's good to see other ways of doing this. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the 13 on to find where 13 is. Sorry, it's looking a bit messy. Okay. And then we're going to think of, we're going to use our part whole model. Okay. Now, I can jump straight back to 10, our next friendly number, from 3. How far is it from 13 to 10? Just this digit here. Yeah, 3. So we're going to use 3 to jump back to 10. How much of the... I was taking away 5. How much of the 5 is left? Yeah, 2. This is why those number facts that you've been doing for so long are so important. It's incredibly helpful. I do this every day. Whatever, shopping, buying petrol, all kinds of stuff. This is super helpful. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do 12 take away 4. Okay. So, we could find 12. Do you know where 12 is? Where is it? Where's 12 on here? Yeah, it's here. Okay, we could get 4 fingers out and touch the fingers on our noses. Touch the 4 fingers on our nose and go backwards. But I'm not going to do that way. I'm going to show you I'm going to put 12 on the number line just because it's helpful. I should have written 12 up here. I'm so sorry. Honestly, that's dreadful. Honestly. There's no 4 to make because there's no 4 to put on again because there's no 4ness here. This doesn't mean 4. It means taking away 4, doesn't it? So I can just do my part whole. Okay. I'm going to jump back to the next friendly number. How far is that? It's this digit here. How far is it? Yeah, it's 2. So we're going to be jumping back 2. Okay. If I've used 2 of the 4, how much of the 4 is left? Right. 2. Okay. But we were at 10. Now we've taken away 2. 2 and feeling great. 2 and 8. Well done. So we're at 8. So 12 take away 4 is 8. So in my head, when I'm doing 12 take away 4, I don't count backwards anymore. I don't count backwards in ones because I make loads of mistakes when I'm doing that. What I do is I imagine 12 in my head. I partition 4 into 2 and 2, jump back to the 10, and then jump back to the 8. Okay, let's one more. Let's do one more. Let's do 15 take away 7. 15 take away 7. Okay, you could pause the video and have a go yourself. I'm sorry I haven't given you a printout to do this on today, but here's 15 and there's 7. Let's get 15. 15's made out of 10 and 5. And we're not going to get anything for the 7. We're just going to do our part whole. Okay. Right. So let's just find 15. Where's 15 on here? Where's 15? Yeah, it's halfway between 10 and 20, so it must be this one. Okay. So I'm not going to put these on this time. Okay. I really want to jump back to my next friendly number, to 10. How far is this jump? Yeah, it's 5, isn't it? You can tell that because it says 5 there. 5 more than 10. Right. If I've used 5 of the 7, how much of the 7 have I got left? It's your number facts, guys. Yeah, 2. So now it leaves just 2 to take away. Where am I going to be here? What's this number? 2 and feeling great. Yeah, 8. That's right. There we go. So 15 take away 7 is 8. Okay. Good job, guys. I mean, year 1s, I'm sorry, that's quite tricky, but year 2s should be ringing some bells, making sense to you. Now we're going to do some vertical taking away now. Some taking away when you've got numbers that are 2 digits or more. It's quite often easier just to do it as a vertical takeaway or a column takeaway, whichever, same thing. Vertical, writing it vertically, one number above the other, or writing it in columns, it's the same thing. I'm going to do it with no tricky columns. There's no tick in here. Okay, right. You could pause the video now and have a go at this one. 43 take away 32. Okay. I'm assuming you might have had a go, you might not. 43 take away 32, and here's the big equals. Okay, there's not going to be a tricky column. Can I start here? Can I go here? No, always got to start with the ones, the units column. Okay, 3 take away 2. So take away 1, take away 2, leaves me 1. Nice easy one. 40 take away 30. But in my head, I'm just really thinking 4 take away 3. 1, 2, 3. And the answer is 11. Fantastic. Guys, if you fancy pushing yourself, year 2s especially, this should be really smooth and easy for you now, year 2. So get this out on your tablet or on your laptop and have a few goes at the different ones by pressing next, see which different ones you can do. Year 1s, let's definitely have a crack at the time work. Half past and quarter past, an o'clock. Okay, and then your prize today is you get a pair of sunglasses, but nobody knows they're sunglasses. They just look like your eyes, and the eyes blink, 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 but they're always open, so you can have a snooze while if say you don't like something and you're supposed to be watching it, perhaps one of my boring lessons, and no one will know because your eyes look like blinkety blink, always open. Okay, good job, guys. Have a nice afternoon. See you next time.